Unit 4 End of Unit Assessment. Question 1. Maya biked 6 3/4 miles today, and Noah biked 4 1/2 miles. How many times the length of Noah's bike ride was Maya's bike ride? A. 2/3 times as far. B. 3/2 times as far. C. 9/4 times as far. D. 243/8 times as far. Question 2. Select all equations that represent this question. Priya is stacking building blocks to make a tower. She takes a break when the tower is 2 1/2 feet tall, which is 5/8 of the height of the tower she wants to build. How tall is a tower when finished? A. 5/8 times question mark equals 2 1/2. B. 5/8 divided by 2 1/2 equals question mark. C. 2 1/2 times question mark equals 5/8. D. 2 1/2 times 5/8 equals question mark. E. 2 1/2 times 8/5 equals question mark. E. 2 1/2 divided by 5/8 equals question mark. Question 3. Select all statements that show correct reasoning for finding 15 divided by 2/9. A. Multiply 15 by 2, then divide by 9. B. Multiply 15 by 9, then divide by 2. C. Multiply 15 by 1/9, then multiply by 2. D. Multiply 15 by 9, then multiply by 1/2. Question 4. Divide. A. 3/4 divided by 1/5. B. 9/2 divided by 3/4. C. 4/9 divided by 8/15. D. 5 2/3 divided by 3/2. Question 5. Andre draws this tape diagram for 3 divided by 2/3. Andre says that 3 divided by 2/3 equals 4 1/3 because there are 4 groups of 2/3 and 1/3 left. Do you agree with Andre? Explain your reasoning. Question 6. How many 1/3 inch cubes does it take to fill a box with width 2 2/3 inches, length 3 1/3 inches, and height 2 1/3 inches? Question 7. Lynn has 2 small baking pans, each shaped like a rectangular prism. For each question, explain or show your reasoning. Question A. Lynn lines the bottom of her pan with aluminum foil. The area of the rectangular piece of foil is 11 1/4 square inches. Its length is 4 1/2 inches. What is the width of the foil? Question B. Lynn's second pan has a length of 8/3 inches, a width of 5/4 inches, and a height of 3/2 inches. What is the volume of the second pan?